Welcome back, people. See there, they're here today with Dana Shamar. Yeah, have a baggy jump pan. We'll cook some food on the river today, people. But I know me have cook still. Yeah, I cook don't. Yeah, she have cook today. Me I go rest today. Me I go make the juice today, and she cook. You see me, guys? So you don't know our channel. I go be in the title and the description. So just head over to our channel and subscribe.
Yes, guys, subscribe.
There you go. You cricket them really loud, people. So yeah, but we are traversing the journey still until we reach the spot. The guys will show up. Then you know, see, I want to come for adventure.
That's why I need a drop.
Yeah, guys. So see there, look on the river. I understand this. Dirt.
This are dirt, look sir?
You come from up there.
Oh, where's the water? Come with the river, say. I'll buy one bag of sand. I want chocolate with a sand.
Just go and take up them here. Oh, I understand. Alright, peeps. So we're going to reach the spot and then turn about the camera. Look at this. The sun hot and water run off of the rocks. Off of the hill. Look at that.
Oh, exactly where that comes from.
Honestly. Whoa. Step right there. Look at that beauty. Nope. See? It's really beautiful. Alright, peeps, so we reach the spot. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we reach the spot now, and you don't know, we're gonna get the meat out because she do all of the cooking, as me say. So you guys have a judge for your cooking. And me judge it too. Yeah. I get a break from the cooking today again, guys. So she will be doing the cooking and I'll make the juice and stuff like that. You see me, guys? So I'm gonna show you guys what she do and so on, and update you guys on anything else that happens. That meat right there, eh? Yeah. I'll walk this and find some. Yeah. So see where things in here, guys, so you don't know, time to catch a fire. Hey, so not over here still, though. Yep. Alright, so time to get some firewood. Alright, so see there, we get to stick them cut up now, put in our fire. No, you have to spin on something on the side. The next, no, your side. Yeah. Next one. No, one next one today. One next one today. So I don't know where I put the stick them in the fire now. Get it catch up. Yeah, man. So whenever the fire catch up, people, I'll get back to you. The people say I don't know, see, as you guys just see the fire up and ready. So I go on there. So if you see smoke, you know fire did it. So alright, the fire catch up then over there, so I clean up the meat. And you don't know, me have the pineapple. Let me soon show you guys that. I'm going to show you a clip of when I was picking them. So yeah, this is the first one that I picked, and then we'll go to our next spot and find a second one. So we are going to be with them on the river today with some lime and some ginger. Only thing we don't have is some ice, but we still have to make it work. You see me? So right now the meat are clean up, so we are get the rice on the fire in the meanwhile, because we are gonna boil some pumpkin rice. You get me some vegetables, so I put on that right now and make that go and cook. So you guys just stay tuned. And remember, most of it gonna be on Dana channel, so you have to check out her channel to see what's up. Or remember to subscribe to our channel, people. You see me? Just click her name in the title or the description and just subscribe to it. So you guys are gonna see everything we shared up on her channel. I'm just helping her out today.
Because the meat still tough.
Half cut.
Yeah. So we pan this to dry. Come up to dry. Cook out. Guys, you have to catch all of, you have to take off all of the fat. You know, a lot of people that cuss about a chicken wing there.
Alright guys, so quick update on the pot. This is going to be the rice pot, people. You get me? So it's the rice pot here. Up on the fire. So we're having everything. We have some pumpkin, scallion and pepper. I'll put some butter and salt tonight now. On the spoon?
And the curry salt comes to one butter. And this golden brand butter. With this organizer seed. And the pot you put on catch your catch me. Work it over here.
Yep. Yeah, people, so I'm showing you guys how I go on now. So I go on for Dana pot. Wow.
Wanna see how my rice pretty?
And the pot look good. So I make that go and cook now and catch a next fire. Dish towel bossy.
You know, let's see with something. Alright guys. So he's making another fire because time is of the essence. We don't have all day around here.
Alright peeps, so I go on here. We have the pineapple them now, we have cut them up. And don't watch that panic guys, you don't know when they grow a certain place that are gonna happen. So we have cut them up and get them washed. So we have a grater there, so we have grater them up now right now. So I wash them off. Now I cut them up first and then we wash them off. Alright guys, so I go on now. I grate up the pineapples to make the juice. So let's get that done. Alright people, so we forgot the curry. So right now we have to use some browning. Some homemade browning. Yep, so the own browning man, no put too much. Just take your time. Put some more. Alright. So guys, we have to burn the sugar now.
Yes,
melt it.
Start melt.
Yep.
Well, I'm gonna get the spoon.
Now we have to put in the meat inside. So, we don't know, we are improvise people because we forgot the curry, so we end up having to use some of the sugar and make browning. So you guys will see the process. Yep, so this is the chicken.
Pretty meat.
Yeah man. So she are the chef today now. I just make my juice today. Some nice pineapple juice, organic. Patalaline. People, so I make our own browning.
Watch it, look there.
That is smoke. Alright, can come put them in now. Alright, Cart?
You just start to back now?
Stir it up. I heat over your hand.
Okay, man, you can just feel everything that's You see the back of my phone and drop off that now hold up much longer. Portable something? Okay, I'm gonna get one then.
The water in and make it go and cook.
Raymond, avoid me.
I don't want more water.
You don't need no more water.
No, no. If you put it in one time, you don't have to come back. Alright peeps, so you don't know. This is where pineapple or grater. You can see the water not adding it as yet. We got the water and strain off all this, the waste. Yeah, and add some sugar, and that's gonna be our pineapple juice to eat with our food. Yeah man, so I don't know, I get this all straight off and now. So catch you guys whenever it finish.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought.
So the top chef don't cook our food, you know. So you don't know. Should I share now? See there? Heat hot. And guys, see the meat here. That's the meat.
When I get a better short gravy.
So now put the gravy in that.
Let me just throw it out instead of same way you think.
Alright. Feels good.
Sabi na no?
Hot.
Rate it out of 10.
Alright. Because we have them the brown, the earth over we want. We lose pints to that.
I don't mean lose pints now you.
Alright peeps, so we're on our way heading out back. You get what I say?
One day.
Yeah, her phone died. You see me? So she was a chef today. Yeah. She cooked the food. She needs to cook more food still so me can have a break. Me just make the juice. That bad. With what milk? Milk and nutmeg. Yeah. Yeah people, so this is the end of the video guys. It was a successful day as I would say. When we come and we cook some food, it was a nice day. The weather is good. So right now we are heading back out. Yeah, we have a little time schedule to work with because she needs to go somewhere. But we still came and get it done. So I don't know. This is the next chef, so I don't know. Just check out our channel. She have more to come. Come on guys, so our link I got in the description or our name I got there in the title. So, go on jump.
Yeah.
So yeah man, just check her out people and subscribe and tell her say me send you. So until next time guys, I'll catch you in my next upload.
Bye.
Bye.
Where you walking again?
Alright people, out.